Okay, I'm the queen of the semi-homemade. So today I'm getting ready to make some semi-homemade chocolate cake. What I have in the bowl there is sugar, egg yolk. I mean not egg yolk, egg white, not egg yolk. Egg white, butter, 1 stick of butter, which is a half cup. I have Folgers coffee, the instant. I just used one of those packs. Sugar, well, I already said sugar, and I have Hershey's baking chocolate. So I'm going to take my hand mixer.
Well said.
Yeah. I'm going to take my hand mixer, my hand mixer, and mix that all together so it comes to a cream consistency. And I'll be right back, guys. Now that it's well mixed together, it's time to go ahead and open up that cake mix and pour it on in there. I had to turn on my lighting here. This is how it looks a little bit. So you can see a little bit better. It's like a heavy cream looking consistency that you want.
Yeah, Mom.
Alrighty, so now that you have your cake mix in there, today I'm using the Duncan Hines dark chocolate fudge cake mix. Alrighty guys, so I have my cake mix in there, so you're still gonna stay true to the amount of eggs. So you're gonna pick 3 eggs, so altogether you'll have 3 eggs in this mixture and 1 egg yolk, okay? It's asking for 1 cup of water, but instead of doing 1 cup of water, we're gonna do like 75% heavy whipped cream, and then the last 25% will be water. And then as far as it asks for vegetable oil, but I use 1 stick of butter instead of 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. 1 stick of butter equals 1/2 cup. Alrighty. So let's get that done, and I'll be right back. Oh yeah, and not to mention, the whole point of doing semi-homemade, it brings your cake mix up to another level. Your cake won't have the same consistency and fluff as someone that's using just using the instructions straight from the box. So it's gonna make your cake or whatever you're using, whatever you're making, taste more homemade than anything. I have all 3 eggs in here, and I'm just going to beat all of my extra ingredients I added in, plus the cake mix together. And the ingredients that the cake mix add for it. I haven't started adding my liquid ingredients just yet.
I know.
Because
I'm trying to talk to you. I'm trying to talk to you. Can I taste some of the milk?
no, not right now. I don't care about the
Now can I have a little taste? Oh.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna add the liquid in slowly, a little bit at a time. So that's heavy whipped cream mixed with water. You don't want to make it over rich. You don't want to make it too rich. You're gonna take a drop. So be careful as far as what you're adding in and how much of what you're adding in. I usually add other things into my chocolate cake, but this time I decided to keep it simple. So this is how your dough should look. Your cake dough should look, or batter, that's the right word to use. This is how your cake batter should look once you're done. To be honest, I have to be honest with you guys. I just moved here and I haven't bought new baking pans just yet. So I have these raggedy ones and they're warped and stuff. So we'll see how it's gonna bake. Hopefully it's not too, ill-shaped. Hopefully it still bakes well. But I'm gonna try it and see what happens with these raggedy cake pans I have. I need to go by the store and buy some new ones. But overall, this is gonna be a really good cake. I already can tell from the consistency of the dough. So what I added in there was, hold on, let me angle myself the correct way. So what I added in there was coffee grains, the Folgers Instant, Hershey baking powder, sugar, and I added an egg white, guys. And then after that, you just follow the directions. The liquid, I changed the liquid to heavy whipped cream and water. And also, as far as the oil aspect, it asks for vegetable oil. I added butter instead. So you guys have a blessed one. Peace out. I'll be back to show you how it looks once I pull it out the oven.